Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is about Yeagers. We are going to introducing these agents that can start your trading journey in a more efficient way. Because as a human, we do mistakes, many of them. Like if I will show you, first of all, if we are busy in some doing action in some like daily routine and we have missed the entry in the trading, that is also like a negative energy. And if we are also busy in somewhere to attend our relatives, our parties, now we have already missed our profit. And if we are in the FOMO trading, it's mean we get at the top because we have not remember what was the history of that trading. Even there is also revenge trading. Like if we suddenly enter into the market and we saw one any trading journey is going to be down and we thought it can be up in the next while time, but after some time it goes down, and then we will also go to these mishap. So over trading is also one of their point, and here is also the holding losers. Now what is the solution? We are going to giving you deep dive review about your AI trader. Yeagers is a platform where you can easily get 500 plus trading agents that is also going to manage your trading journey. You can easily select the trading agent here based on your research, because these 500 trading agents are already backtested and live stat. They are also statistically very strong. There no credit cost. You can also create your AI trading agent too. I am also going to show you in today's video how it works. If you are beginner, you can easily start with sign up. Just you come to with Google account, and next you will also be given 100 to 1000 credit. Next is about they are building your personal traders using Claude, JBD, and Gemini, and many other. We are also going to show you how the other agents work, and we can also connect our Binance, Bitcoin, and Coinbase or OKX like these world recognized exchange with API. And we can start our journey in just a minute. Yeager is also going to providing you 3 years of heavy R&D that will make your work more efficient. Next, guys, you are also going to check here different types like manual trading. There are Yeager is going to providing you different AI agents, your personal trader like Atlas X65. Even there is also trading through bots agent that has been trained, and now you are also going to start your copy trading with such also the other people too. Here are also the personal trader. Next, guys, you can also check out that what are the Yeager is providing. Here you can see there are 3 years of R&D trained, 1.5 million back tested and heavily optimized interface. Even you can easily come if you want to start your new epic journey. Then Yeager is now your best partner. So set it up and no withdrawals on API only, so you can start your new epic journey. Even you can also get some uh, your demo trading on it like paper trading, and what the people thinking about of it here, all the experienced notes you can read and some frequently asked questions too. So what are you waiting for? You can choose your right path here with the Yeagers, and it's time to go ahead. Here is your personal trader. Even there is also 500 plus trading agent strategies. So now let's explore together with also clicking on the login to create an account with the email. Now I am going to show you that in the live session you have different options. Like if I am going to coming to show you that here are your balance. Here you can see your pepper, it's mean your demo balance. If you want to join live trading, first you need to connect the exchange, and for that you can easily check out different number of exchange: Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, and many other. So you can also start joining on it, and for that I am also going to use Binance or any other. Now let's connect our Bybit to this API. So for that we need to get API and secret key from the account. For API, we can easily come to the Bybit, and here in the profile section there is APIs and we are going to open it. We can also create new API key with system generated, and here read write, even there is also unified and asset. And after that click on the submit, there is also some permission. Like when we are going to submit, so here I am going to write the name, and after that we will click on the submit option. And after that there is API key has been generated, and I am going to write the data here. You will also check that I am coming to the second option, and this is going to be done, and after that we click on the connect and it will be applied successfully on this platform. So in this way we can also come to exchange, and we can also get how API is going to be managed on this interface. After connected successfully our exchange, you can easily check out with this Bybit. And another like Binance and OKX, you can also connect like this. Further, we are coming into the dashboard now, and here are also the live account balance will be shown here. Even you can choose future or spot trading. There will be analyzed, and if you want to create your own personal trader agent, then you can also put the name. Click on the next option with you can also upload any picture. Then you can also go ahead with this portraiting or any other, and then you can also go ahead with the different currency. And here next is about the changing currency, how much it can be used. After that, like change currency USDT, here is change the market if you want to choose, and next you are also going to clicking on it. So here you can also you need $20 if you want to proceed to start your own personal trader. So I am coming with the paper so I can show you complete process. And after that you can choose which time you are going to taking to make right decision, long or short both. And after that you can also click on the next option, and in this way you can easily check out with Google. There is Minimax or OpenAI, even you can also choose many other. So this is depend on which AI model you are going to use. And after that you can click on the next option. Yes, there is also don't self improve or self improve. You can easily select any one of them, and there is all the chart, what are the data analyze it can. So next we can also proceed to this, and here is next option and it will be launch. Now our own trading agent is now ready with the performance details. In this way you can easily check out. And further there are also many other agents catalog, and when you are coming to this you can easily check out there are favorite PNL and every voice. Here is also increasing the limit. We can get the number of credit here with $10 just, and here are many other packages. So you can easily start how you will credit your account to get live trading agent on the one platform. Like if I am going to connecting with that, and here is also the balance, what is required, and how we can compare it, everything we can go for here some advanced setting. This is talking about the live trading, but if you want in the paper, then you can also check out there are many. We can easily connect with them, and here we can also write the number, and then here is also the deactivated once this is the limit actually. And click on the start and it will be open, and in the history you will also check that how many agents are working in the history. Yes, there will be given. Once you are going to refresh it, then there will be start requiring what the agent you have activated successfully. You can edit it, you can pause it, you can see all the statistics what it is the activities. Next you can also come in the open trades, open the history. Even you can also upgrade your account. Further is about getting credit. Yes, this is also a good thing here with different tier level, that is free, pro, and elite. So you can also upgrade your account if you want to claim. Then here connecting the API, it means 100 credit will be given to you. If you are going to launch your first personal trader, you can also get your trade, and here you can also check out we have already started. So in this way you can easily check and get the credit here. Further there you can complete your profile, connect your, like you are going to follow their YouTube channel, then you can easily go ahead, and here I have already subscribed YouTube handle like me. So we can also right here put the screenshot and claim the credit. Even we can also follow them, then here you can also write their name, like I am going to open it again. So if you want to check out, there are given, and take the screenshot and upload it. Here next detail is about how invite the friends. 300 credit will be given, so you can also claim that point. There are 1000 of point given. If you want to invite your friends, you can also get your referral link to share to your friends, invite them. This could be helpful for a best experience on one level. So I hope you understand how this is Yeager that is going to allow you to start your new epic journey with different catalog with agents that have been already trained, or your own trading agent. See you next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.